Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a website using Python typically involves using a web framework. One popular web framework for Python is Flask. Flask is a lightweight and easy to use framework that is suitable for both beginners and experienced developers. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a simple website using Flask. Open your terminal or command prompt and install Flask using the following command. Create a new directory for your project and navigate to it in the terminal. Inside the project directory, create a new Python file, example app.py, and open it in your text editor. Add the following code to your app.py file. Inside your project directory, create a new folder called Templates. This is where Flask will look for HTML templates. Inside the Templates folder, create a new HTML file, example index.html, and add the following code. Inside your project directory, create a new folder called Static. This is where you'll store your static files like CSS. Inside the static folder, create a new CSS file, example style.css, and add your styles. Go back to your terminal, navigate to your project directory, and run the following command. Visit http://127.0.0.1:5000/ in your browser, and you should see your Flask website. Congratulations! You've just created a simple website using Flask. From here, you can expand your project by adding more routes, templates, and functionality to suit your needs. ChatGPT.